Are you looking for a profitable business you can start with low investments, high demand, and fast cash flow? A business that works in the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia, requiring no special skills? If yes, this guide is for you. Today, I'll show you how to start a junk removal business in 2026, step by step, starting with just $1,000 and scaling to $10,000. The junk removal industry is growing because people are moving, renovating, downsizing, and buying more stuff than ever. Many don't know what to do with old furniture, appliances, trash, yard waste, unwanted items. This creates a massive opportunity. Junk removal is simple, fast, and highly profitable. Best part? You get paid the same day with no degrees, office, or complicated skills. Common junk removal jobs, beginner-friendly. Start with these high-demand services: furniture and mattress removal, old appliances, yard waste and branches, small construction debris, garage or storage cleanouts, move-out junk, office junk removal. Premium services. High profit. As you grow, offer premium add-ons: light demolition, hot tub or shed removal, dirt and concrete removal, estate cleanouts. Startup setup. Under $1,000. You don't need a dump truck. A realistic beginner setup includes a pickup truck or rent a U-Haul, gloves, basic tools, tie-down straps, and tarps, safety vest, moving dolly, and trash bags. Rent a cargo van for $19 to $29 per day if needed, and add the cost to the customer. Pricing and daily income. Average junk removal prices: small job, $80 to $120, medium load, $150 to $250, full load, $350 to $600, heavy jobs, $700 plus. Beginners can complete 2 to 4 jobs per day, earning $300 to $800 per day in the first month. How to get clients. Grow fast using proven methods: Facebook Marketplace, fast leads, local Facebook groups, daily inquiries, Google Business Profile, free long-term strategy, Craigslist, people search hourly, flyers, apartment complexes, mobile home parks, renovation areas, partnerships, real estate agents, property managers, and contractors. How to scale to $10,000 plus per month. Raise your prices when demand grows. Get a trailer or used truck to carry more junk. Hire a helper for more jobs per day. Take bigger contracts: offices, retail stores, apartment turnovers, property cleanouts, $1,000 to $3,000 per contract. Add demolition services: decks, sheds, hot tubs, drywall. Massive profit. Many businesses reach $10,000 to $20,000 per month within 6 to 12 months. Tools to run the business: Google Calendar, job scheduling, Square, payments, Canva, flyers and ads, mileage tracker app, Google Maps, route optimization, QuickBooks, bookkeeping. Why this business works in 2026. Low startup cost, high demand and daily cash flow, repeat customers, easy to scale, works in every Western country. No experience is needed, just action. If you found value in this guide, take action. Start your junk removal business in 2026 and watch it grow.